It's Patrick at PALS. Diagnostics. Well, diagnostics in the old days used a pair of pliers, a wrench, and a screwdriver to figure out what was wrong with the car. In other words, you take things apart, you visually examine them, and then you reset them or replace them with new parts. Now, part of that is the ignition system. And what do you need? You need a timing light. So this is a brand new timing light. It's digital. In the old days, it was basically a light bulb connected to the number one spark plug, connected to a battery, and that's how you timed the car. Now it's electronic. It's evolved. Diagnostic procedures have evolved too. It used to be you had to have the screwdriver, the wrench, and the pliers. Now we do something totally different. In just a moment, I'm going to talk to you about the way that we diagnose cars today. See you soon.